or small bush? Is a big tree or small bush? Small bush. Yeah, look like a small bush. We'll make it bush. But actually tea is a very big tree. This very big tree easily cannot nothing in the leaf. The second reason, very big tree, one is up, one is down. In all leaf, equal amount sunlight, light more, not getting. When equal amount getting, all leaf, same taste, same fiber come. There is a first tea plantation growing, 6 months, one level fruiting. Other than every 3 years, same level fruiting. Look like small bush. But tea is a tree. Life is very long.
கொஞ்சம் ஸ்லோவாக சத்தமா ஓகே
മനസ്സിലായില്ല
ഇല്ല സത്യം
വേറെ ലാംഗ്വേജോ
ഇല്ല
ഫ്രഞ്ച് this is tea leaves, the same tea leaves and plucking season means based on the climate, sometime rain, sometime fall. That's a good season.
So tea is picked based on the climate.
Based on the climate, rain or soleil, that's a good season. Every 7 days.
Every 7 days they pick the tree.
Off season, every 15 days. But same leaf making two kind of tea, white tea, green tea, orthodox black tea, CTC black tea, same leaf. But processing different. Different process. Only the bud, it's only small one, very healthy bud, only handler, sunlight dry. That is white. It's very costly, but white tea is a high antioxidant. White tea good for heart block, anti-cancer, immunity power high, skin disease good for. But white tea not in the market. The production is very less, but very expensive. Per kilo 10,000 to 50,000. White tea. Only Alama, sugar. Second one, green tea. Another 2 leaves. Only the 2 leaves only hand blood, washing, then steaming. Vapor, steaming, rolling, sunlight, dry. That is green tea.
ഇത് പൗഡർ ആക്കും പൗഡർ ആക്കുമല്ലേ ഡ്രൈ
White tea, green tea, no withering, no fermenting. Small antioxidant value. But white tea, green tea, not a drink on empty stomach after breakfast. White tea, green tea, before breakfast drink, good bacteria inside will kill the good bacteria. White tea, green tea after breakfast. The people white tea, green tea, alama. Black tea, no separate. By scissor. All together. First process, to grind 3 leaves. Thereafter, the process name is withering. To 25% remove the moisture. You will be coming down. Black tea 2 types. Orthodox. The orthodox tea called English breakfast tea. English breakfast tea. The put the tea is rolling, fermenting, dry. Take color also change. Then try. They got orthodox black tea. So very old one, only demo. Smell it Ireland, well cost. The CTC black tea is good Indian sharp. Smell like Malaji.
I like it. Cutting. CTC. Goodbye.
Clear curve. More time. One point. വച്ചിട്ട് പറയണേ. Right. Yeah.
Yeah, that's it.